Hello and welcome to this short video on how to build modules in Canvas and how to lock the content that you'd like students to go through in a sequential order so that students have to complete one assignment before they move on to the next assignment. Modules are a really great way to organize a lot of content that you want your students to work through. And you can see here that there's a modules link on the left-hand side of your screen. Go ahead and click on that modules link there. It'll pull up a host of modules that are already preloaded into Canvas, like your agenda pages and these new online agendas. I've already built a module, at least for the first day of school when we get back for the fourth quarter, entitled The Industrial Revolution. The way that you'll go about building a module, you'll click on this plus module button, and you can then name the module. Perhaps you want to do it by unit or by week or some other way that fits in well with your classroom. I'm going to hit cancel because I don't need to do that right now. To add more content into your module, you'll click this plus button right here. And this is really helpful because you can start building in assignments right through the module page. So you can add an assignment or a quiz, a file, a page, discussion, so on and so forth. If you want to build a new assignment, you would just click on New Assignment. You could type it in, whatever you would want the kids to do, and click Add Item. And then you can click on that particular link within the module rather than going back and through assignments, finding it, tracking it down, and then opening it there. That's a pretty helpful tool. So for instance, we'll just say sample assignment, and we'll leave it as is, add item. I can then, now that it's created, I can just click on it right here from the module and then go in and create that particular assignment, whatever it is that I want the students to do. One other helpful tool that Canvas has with these modules is the ability to lock content so that students have to complete one assignment before they move on to the next assignment. The way that you'll go about doing that is you can go ahead and edit modules clicking on these three little buttons here. Click on the edit button and notice too there you can move contents, move the module, you can delete the whole thing, or you can share it to the Canvas Commons. I'm just going to click on edit, and if you see here there's a button, or I'm sorry, a link that says add requirement, and now it'll pull up these requirements that you can then add on to your module. So for instance, students must complete all of these requirements, and you could check students must move through requirements in sequential order, i.e. they must complete one assignment before they move on to the next assignment. So for instance, it's beginning with fourth quarter opening Flipgrid video, which is just a short assignment that I'd like the students to complete. Well, I do want them to submit the assignment before they can move on to the next one. And I'm going to add another requirement. Let's make the students watch a video on the Industrial Revolution, and we can do mark as done, which will give them a button that they'll have to click on before they can go on to the next video, and I'll show you guys that in just a moment. Let's add the final requirement, which is a quiz on the Industrial Revolution and the videos that I assigned to them. They have to submit that assignment. Now I'll update the module, and maybe some students snuck into this while I had made it. Hopefully not, but I'm going to hit continue. And now I'm going to go into student view so that you can see what it looks like from the student's perspective. This is always a helpful thing, just to make sure that you've got all of your ducks in a row. Go to modules. And it looks like I tried to go on to the next assignment, and unfortunately I couldn't because I hadn't completed the one previously, which was making a Flipgrid video. So I'll go ahead and pretend to submit that assignment and whatnot. But you can see here that it does work. It locks your content sequentially, so your students have to go through and submit one assignment at a time before moving on to the next one. And that might be a very helpful thing for you as we transition into online learning. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, please reach out to your administrator or department chair. We're always available and very happy to help. Thanks so much and have a great day.